See all that floor space? Well, apart from the XV500 coffee racer, the Virago is still there. That ain't going nowhere. But the DRZ is no longer here. It's outside for the garage. That means we have floor space for another project, and that means we are getting to work right now. Welcome back. Right guys, without too much bullshit, I've got a new bike. In fact, I got 3 new bikes. Well, they're not new. They all piece of shit, broken down vehicles that I acquired from a guy next door. Different story, different episode. What I've got outside this door, it's in my eyes kind of exciting and it's got potential. But instead of talking about it and boring the fuck out of you, I'm gonna show you what it is. And while I'm showing you what it is, you tell me what bike you think it is. There's no badges on it, don't know nothing else, so you know what it is, shout before I tell you what it is. Let's have a look. How did you manage to break a banjo rope, you twat? Well, what is it? Who guessed it? Hands up. Of course, it's a Kawasaki ZL600, also known as the Eliminator. And what's so special about this little bike? Well, absolutely nothing other than it is really rare. I've probably only seen a handful of them available for sale in a decent condition. Again, in a decent condition. This is far from a decent condition. But that's why I got it. And I'll be honest with you, mainly because it's in a pretty shit condition. I got it for decent money. I think it was decent money anyway. The guy was selling a job lot. He had 2 other bikes. They even worse condition than this one. I kind of got them all. This is not going to be a full-on blast custom project. I don't think I will be doing many modifications to the bike. And I will definitely not chop it completely and turn it into something else that is not supposed to be. That's kind of beyond the purpose of this bike. What I do want to do with this little guy is bring it back to its former glory. It's not working at the moment. I tried, it's not starting. It's got dead battery, it's got probably crap in carburetors and lots of other issues that I need to sort out. The forks are leaking, a lot of things that I want to do to make it worth it. And on top of it, I want to do a decent paint job, but that's the very, very last stage of this rebuild. This is something I love doing. I love breathing fresh life into your old bikes and putting them back on the road safely, if possible. Saying that, I'll be very honest with you, bought this in mind to rebuild it and sell it with a little bit of a profit. It will not cost me much money to hopefully buy all the parts, and I can hopefully double my money what I paid for it, and that will fund a next project, another bike that I already have in mind. I want to do just like the Virago. That's going to be a long project, but I need the right base, I need the right engine and the right frame, and I already know what it is. But for that I need a little bit more money, and at the moment I am struggling with that. So this hopefully will help me out with it. Welcome back to a journey of a few episodes, putting this bike back on the road, making it running as best as I can, hopefully. We're not gonna see many issues with this engine. I'm trusting the guy told me it was running not long ago. There's no evidence of it, but I'm kind of like trusting people, biker to biker. He was a nice guy, and he promised me he has been running previously, so I just took his word for it. Yes, I know, a bit of a gamble, but I'm hoping it's going to pay off. That's it for now, quick introduction. If you want to see what we're going to do with this bike, what's going to happen to it next, you know, to find me, follow me for the next few episodes. Try to make them nice, short and sweet and to the point. And until then guys, thank you very much for watching. Rock hard, have a beer, and I'll see you very soon.